Welcome to RAG LLM-based app development, a comprehensive course designed to take you from understanding foundational concepts to building scalable real-world applications using Retrieval-Augmented Generation (RAG) with large language models. In this course, you'll explore the synergy between information retrieval and advanced natural language generation, and how to harness both to create powerful, intelligent. Module 1: Introduction to LLM and RAG. First, we'll start by laying the groundwork. You'll learn about large language models, the technology that powers cutting-edge applications like chatbots, content generation, and automated reasoning. We'll dive into the structure and functionality of LLMs and discuss their strengths and limitations in different domains. Next, we'll introduce Retrieval-Augmented Generation (RAG), a transformative architecture that combines the power of LLMs with a retrieval mechanism. You'll understand how RAG allows an LLM to access external knowledge, making it smarter and more versatile in handling dynamic and complex tasks, especially when dealing with large datasets. Module 2: Core Concepts of Information Retrieval. In our second module, we'll shift our focus to information retrieval, IR, a critical pillar for building RAG applications. You'll explore the core concepts of IR, including indexing, querying, and ranking. We'll also cover the types of retrieval models and how they can be integrated with LLMs to improve their accuracy and performance. You'll also get hands-on with practical examples of how to create and optimize retrieval systems, enabling you to fetch relevant data that can be used by the LLM for generating insightful and contextually accurate outputs. Module 3: Implementing Basic RAG Workflows. With the foundational concepts in place, it's time to get practical. In this module, we'll guide you through implementing basic RAG workflows. You'll learn how to connect a retrieval system to an LLM, enabling you to create applications that leverage external knowledge sources such as documents, databases, or APIs. We'll walk you through the architecture of a simple RAG-based app and show you step-by-step how to build one, ensuring that you have the skills to create applications that are both intelligent and responsive. Module 4: System Design and Scalability of RAG-Based Apps. As we reach the final module, we'll dive into the art of system design and scalability for RAG-based applications. You'll learn how to build apps that can scale to handle large volumes of data, high traffic, and complex queries without compromising performance. We'll cover key topics such as data storage solutions, distributed systems for retrieval, and best practices for optimizing both retrieval and generation processes. By the end of this module, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to design robust and scalable RAG systems that can meet the demands.